In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your ringtone in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Teams on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load so you can see your chats and the top bar with your profile area. Next, go to the top right corner of the Teams window. You will see your profile icon. Right beside it, click the three dots, also labeled Settings and More. This opens a menu with several options for customizing how Teams works. From that drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a separate settings window where Teams keeps options for things like appearance, privacy, devices, and notifications. Since we are changing your ringtone, we will focus on notification sounds. On the left-hand side of the settings window, click Notifications and Activity. This section controls what you see and hear when Teams alerts you about messages, mentions, and calls. If you are in a busy workspace or you handle a lot of calls, choosing the right sound can make it easier to recognize an incoming notification quickly. Now scroll down until you reach the Sound section. This is where Teams lets you control the sound that plays with notifications. Look for the setting that says Play Sounds with Notifications. Next to it, click the drop-down menu. When you open that drop-down, you will see a list of available ringtone options. Select a new ringtone from the list. As soon as you choose one, that selection becomes your current notification sound. To make sure it is the one you want, click the play icon to preview it. Listen closely at a normal volume so you can confirm it is noticeable without being too distracting. If you decide the sound is not quite right, simply open the drop-down again and select a different ringtone. You can preview as many as you like using the play button until you find the one that fits your environment, whether you prefer something subtle for quiet settings or something more distinct for louder spaces. Once you have selected the ringtone you want, you can close the settings window. Your change is saved automatically, so there is nothing else you need to click. And that is all there is to it.